Welcome to Utrecht University, the place to discover yourself, to discover others, the place where, with an open mind and an open attitude, we work together towards a better world. Utrecht University is a community where everyone contributes in their own way to the quality of education and the atmosphere within the programme. It is a place for joint discussion and a space for different opinions. Our students, lecturers, and other UU employees form the cogs that turn the academic community. If one of those cogs is missing, our community falters. What is your responsibility in this? How can you create a positive atmosphere within your programme? How can you contribute to the quality of tutorials and lectures? And how can you respectfully collaborate with fellow students and teachers? Want to find out more about your role as a student at Utrecht University? Visit our website for more information.